Greetings to all you thrill seekers out there. Today, we're diving deep into the chilling world of the zombie virus. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your fellow horror fans. Let's embark on a journey back in time to the origins of the zombie myth. The zombie, as we know it today, has its roots deeply embedded in Haitian folklore. Here, zombies weren't the brain-eating, shambling undead we've come to know. Instead, they were reanimated corpses, revived and controlled by magic, completely devoid of free will. This concept of the zombie was born from traditions carried to Haiti by enslaved Africans. Their belief in the reanimation of corpses was used by slave drivers as a deterrent against suicide, instilling fear of an afterlife as a mindless slave. This Haitian zombie phenomenon gained international attention during the United States occupation of Haiti, sparking an interest that would eventually evolve into the zombies we recognize today. Now, let's fast forward to the latter half of the 20th century. The modern zombie, the flesh-eating, relentless creature, was largely shaped by one man, George A. Romero, and his groundbreaking film, Night of the Living Dead. Although the word zombie was never used in the movie, fans later applied it to Romero's creatures, forever changing the concept of zombies in popular culture. From then on, the idea of the zombie apocalypse, a world overrun by these terrifying creatures, became a staple in modern art. In recent years, there has even been a humanization and romanticization of zombies, with portrayals of zombies as friends and love interests for humans. So, from magic-controlled corpses to flesh-eating monsters, zombies have come a long way. But have you ever wondered if a zombie-like virus could exist in reality? Well, brace yourselves because we're about to explore the chilling truth behind the zombie virus. Let's embark on a thrilling journey to the icy terrains of Siberia, where the chilling reality of a zombie-like virus was unearthed. Imagine a virus so potent and mind-altering that it turns its host into something akin to a zombie. This is no figment of a horror writer's imagination. This is the reality of the virus we're discussing. This Siberian virus, like a puppeteer controlling its marionette, takes over the host's body, driving them into a state that resembles the living dead from our favorite horror flicks. This isn't some magical curse or witchcraft. It's science, albeit of a macabre kind. The virus, once it infiltrates the host's body, begins to alter the host's behavior, controlling their actions in a manner that is beneficial to the virus's survival and propagation. The infected host may exhibit an insatiable hunger, increased aggression, and a lack of self-preservation, eerily similar to the traits of the mythical zombies we're all too familiar with. But what makes this virus so unique and, dare we say, terrifying? It's the way it manipulates the host's brain. It's not just about physical changes, it's about changing the host's behavior to an extent that they become almost unrecognizable, a mere shell of their former selves. Let's delve into the science of it, but don't worry, we won't get too technical. The virus operates by producing proteins that mimic those of the host's body. This allows the virus to infiltrate the host's cells undetected, like a wolf in sheep's clothing. Once inside, it begins to hijack the host's cellular machinery, redirecting it to produce more of the virus in a chilling display of biological warfare. It's fascinating and terrifying to think that something out of a horror film could exist in reality. But what impact could such a virus have on our world? Imagine a world overrun by zombies. It's a scenario straight out of a horror film, but let's delve into the potential real-life consequences. Envision this. A zombie virus outbreak begins. The first wave of infection spreads rapidly, engendering panic and chaos. As the disease proliferates, our societal structures come under immense strain. The healthcare systems, already stretched thin, are overwhelmed by the sheer volume of patients. Hospitals become breeding grounds for the virus, accelerating its spread exponentially. But this is just the beginning. As more and more people succumb to the virus, our essential services start to crumble. Power plants shut down, water supplies are compromised, and food becomes scarce. The very fabric of our civilization starts to unravel. Now, let's consider the impact on humanity itself. The zombie virus doesn't just kill its victims, it reanimates them, turning them into vectors of transmission. This is a factor that could potentially lead to our extinction. With each person that falls, the virus gains another soldier in its army, making it increasingly difficult for the remaining population to survive. The spread of the zombie virus would also have profound psychological effects. Fear would grip the hearts of people, leading to societal breakdown. Law and order would disintegrate as survival instincts take over, leading to anarchy and violence. And let's not forget about the global health systems. They would be pushed to the brink, struggling to cope with the sheer scale of the outbreak. Even the most advanced countries, with their state-of-the-art medical facilities, would find it challenging to handle the onslaught of patients. The health crisis would quickly evolve into a humanitarian disaster. The thought of a zombie apocalypse is indeed horrifying. But are there any countermeasures in place to protect us? In the face of a potential zombie virus outbreak, what can science do to protect us? This is a question that has likely crossed the minds of many. The answer lies in the tireless efforts of our scientific community, which is constantly working on new discoveries and innovations to combat such threats. Our understanding of the zombie virus is still in its infancy, but researchers are making significant strides. They are unraveling the mysteries of this virus, probing its characteristics and understanding its behavior. This work is crucial as it forms the basis for potential treatments or even a vaccine. Imagine a world where a simple injection could protect you from the horror of a zombie apocalypse. Scientists are striving to make this concept a reality. They are exploring different avenues, from traditional antiviral drugs to more innovative approaches like gene editing technology. The goal is to find a solution that can neutralize the zombie virus before it has a chance to reanimate the dead. But it's not just about treatments. Scientists are also developing early detection systems to identify potential carriers of the virus. They're working on devices that can sniff out the virus in the air or detect it in a person's blood. These tools could give us the upper hand in a potential outbreak, allowing us to isolate and treat those affected before the virus can spread. The importance of scientific discovery and innovation in combating something as terrifying as a zombie virus cannot be overstated. It's a testament to human resilience, to our desire to understand and overcome the threats that lurk in the shadows. It is a beacon of hope in a world that sometimes seems consumed by fear. While the zombie virus remains a chilling concept, rest assured that scientists are on the case, working tirelessly to ensure our world is prepared for any potential outbreak. In the face of the unimaginable, we can take comfort in the knowledge that our best and brightest are on the front lines, ready to protect us from the terror of the undead. So, the zombie virus, once a thing of folklore and horror films, could be a real threat. But thanks to scientific advancements, we stand prepared. We've explored the intriguing history of zombies, from Haitian folklore to modern horror cinema. We've unearthed the chilling possibility of a zombie virus emerging from the depths of Siberia and contemplated the potential global impact of such a phenomenon. Yet, in the face of such a terrifying prospect, we've also highlighted the incredible scientific countermeasures in place to protect us. We hope you've enjoyed this chilling journey through the world of the zombie virus. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe for more thrilling content. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe. Thank you for watching.